Good morning, class 6. How are you doing today? Uh, Hope you all are doing good and fine and taking care of yourselves and being at home and being safe. Season is not good. Everything is extending up, and when the vaccine is going to come, we don't know. Even if it comes, how far will it work properly? We don't know. But everyone has to. We have to live with the COVID. It will become like that type of thing, having typhoid or yellow fever or jaundice or a viral cough and cold or a fever. It's going to be like that. We have to take tikas, the vaccinations which you call tikas, for typhoid, for hp1, for hp2, hepatitis b, hepatitis a, so like that. COVID vaccine will be also there with some other name, which we have to take. We'll be Vaccines are taken to stop it coming to you, and medicines are taken when it's already come to you, so you have to repair yourself there. So but it's better to take precaution is better than cure, so we have to be very safe till then, till the vaccines don't come in. And regarding school, actually, seriously, to be very honest, I don't know yet what's happening, but I am here, very much here. I have not gone back to West Bengal or Kolkata. I am here. I am 24/7 here for you guys, and I'm really into it and trying to help you out, guys. There's a girl from Punjab or Chhattisgarh, I guess, who scored her class 11 results through self study. She's become first a topper, CBSE class 12, through self study. So you have to learn to study. First is you read. You try to read and try to understand. If you don't understand a word, hit the dictionary, find that meaning and put it in that sentence again, and then you read it. You will come to know. And once you get into this habit, nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop you. Even in maths, if you are reading something, you are not able to understand that, look for that word in the dictionary. You will come to know. There is no such a word that is not in the dictionary. Mother Google, sister Google, so they follow the dictionary also, but that is on the computer. It comes out in very different ways. They give it in a more elaborated way that's much more helpful, but I will say not to use the internet right now. When you want suppose you want more different meanings to it or more elaborated explanation to it, then you must go on to Google. No use using YouTube. YouTube will not help you for understanding meanings or something. You have to learn it yourself. Suppose you are opened a dictionary and you take out the word, you look for the word, okay, fine. The meaning of bad is bad. What is the meaning of bad? Not behaving properly or having having negative habits and all, that's bad. Come on. Now you write it down somewhere. It will go inside your memory. How do you remember your birthday? You don't forget that, right? You don't forget your dad's birthday, you don't forget your mom's birthday, you don't forget your cousins or sisters or brother's birthday. You remember that. You remember when your school is going to have vacation. That you also know. So why can't you remember words? That is not going to be a problem. Okay? So we were on this part, what do you call, the movements of the earth, right? So how far we were there, we don't know. I'll just go and check into it. So we were on the movements of earth. I guess we have finished. So I'll just start from a bit other part and we'll go to it and we'll do it. So today we'll be finishing that part. So you don't have to worry. So I'll start reading and after that I'm going to tell you. Go to major domains of the earth. We are not going to do maps because maps is very difficult to do on the online, so we'll keep it for later part. So we were there of the length and day and night. I have to read. Revolution of the earth we have done. Effects of the earth's revolution. What are the effects? Okay, what are the effects of the Okay. Revolution of the earth we have done. When the distance, page 105, when the distance between the earth and the sun is minimum, about 146 million kilometers, the earth is said to be a perihelion. Peri means near and helios means suns, near the sun. When the distance and the earth is minimum, it is called the perihelion. The sun is at this position on or around 4th January every year. When the distance between the earth and the sun is maximum, it's about 151 million kilometers. The earth is said to be an aphelion. Aphelion means, ap means away from the, helios means the sun. Aphelion. The sun is at this position on or around 4th of July. Closest is on the 4th of January and it's far away on the 4th of July. That means the sun is going far away. It's going, not the sun is going far away, the earth is going far away from the sun, and that's how the season changes. The distance between the earth and the sun varies only about 3% during one complete revolution. Thus, the average distance between the earth and the sun is about 148.5 million kilometers. Okay, so that is what it is all about. Okay, effects of the earth's revolution. What are the effects of the earth's revolution? The revolution of the earth around the sun causes variation in the length of day and night, in the distribution of heat over the surface of the earth, and the phenomenon of seasons. The phenomenon of seasons is the most important effect of the earth's revolution. So now the phenomenon of seasons. What are the phenomenon of seasons? This is going to tell us the variation of the earth's the day and night things, because the earth is turning around on its axis and it's at the same time it's on its revolution also. So this is the main part where we come to know how does this phenomenon, this change actually happen. Okay, so this we have to find out. How will we find out? Again, as I said, we have to read and we'll find out what actually happens. The earth completes one revolution around the sun in 365 and 1/4 day. Okay, days or 1 year. This period is divided into 4 seasons. What are the 4 seasons? Spring, summer, autumn, winter, again spring, summer, autumn, winter. This is a cycle. Correct? Understood? The change of seasons is due to rotation of the earth on its axis. The revolution of the earth around the sun, the inclination, that slanting of the earth's axis. Because of these three things, mainly the phenomenon, the changes happen. I'll come back in the next video and I'll read it again. Okay, I'll be right back.